We are following breaking news tonight on the topic, of course, the coronavirus. A woman in Lancaster County now testing positive for this virus. That brings the total number of cases in South Carolina up to 10. The CDC confirming that those 2 cases, the rest are awaiting federal testing. Here in North Carolina, there are 7 cases, 1 in Chatham County and 6 over in Wake. Hello, everybody. I'm Bill McGinty. Thanks for joining us for the news at 5:30.
And I'm Sarah French. South Carolina officials saying that at this time, it is unknown if the woman traveled outside of the state or even had contact with another case.
As fears over this coronavirus spread here in the Carolinas, more and more counties in our area are opening up phone banks.
So these phone banks staffed by local public health workers. Mecklenburg County opening its lines last week, Gaston County today. WCNC Charlotte's Brandon Goldner got an inside look at one of these call centers, and he joins us from there now with more. Brandon.
The big phrase Gaston County is using is call before you come. By dialing the county's call center first, Gaston County Health Director Steve Eden says it'll prevent the county's clinics, doctor's offices, and Caramont Medical Center from being at greater risk of exposure to the coronavirus.
They can't diagnose them over the phone, but they can look for risk factors and ask certain questions like travel history and signs and symptoms. And then what they'll then do is point them in the direction of their medical provider.
Since the call center's launched this morning, there's been a slow stream of phone calls, but staffers here expect it to pick up once more people learn this number, 704-862-5303. Eden says 4 people will staff the center, but they can bring in more people if needed.
And so our role as public health is to localize it and help them understand that currently we are at a very low risk and to calm people's concerns.
DHHS has been meeting with Gaston County Schools, which just announced it's canceling all out-of-state and overnight field trips. The district says it'll still allow trips within county borders and athletic teams to travel to games. The call center will be staffed Monday through Friday from 8 to 5. Any calls after hours will be automatically transferred to the state's 24-hour coronavirus hotline. We posted the phone number you can use online at WCNC.com. In Gastonia, Brandon Goldner, WCNC Charlotte.